What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good day. And today I took two trades and I'm going to go over why. And as you can see, the regular setup is back because I have my computer back. And anyways, but before I get into that, look at this huge dump that we are in right now. Holy shit, NQ is going crazy. Anyways, let me get into the trades now. So first, let's just mark out the 930, which is right there. And then let's go to the 4 hour to see our buy. So before market opened, the 4 hour was in a strong uptrend. And we had also completely disrespected this fair value gap right here, the bearish fair value gap, by this candle, because this candle fully closed above that fair value gap. And then I went down to the 1 hour, and the 1 hour was also in a huge uptrend. As you can see, this candle is literally a huge up candle. So I was very bullish to start off the market, but I knew that we had been going up for way too long, so I knew we are going to start going down pretty soon, so I was also aware of that. So my first trade was a long, and then the second one was a short. So I longed this right here because I saw a 5-minute inverse fair value gap that I got tapped into right here. This right here was a fair value gap that did get disrespected initially, which caused our inverse, and I'll mark it out right now. Alright, now that the fair value gap is marked out, we can clearly see that this 5-minute candle disrespected the bearish fair value gap, making it an inverse fair value gap. And then this black candle, the bearish candle, re-entered it, so I went down to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, I saw that we tapped into this bullish fair value gap right here. This is the 1 minute bullish fair value gap. And this was after we also touched the inverse, which is right here. So we touched the inverse here, and then we also reacted off of this bullish fair value gap right here. So I quickly entered longs here with 2 contracts because we were not that volatile at the close of this bullish candle. And then my stop loss was, I didn't want to make it this low right here, so I made it the end of this bullish fair value gap candle right here. And I targeted this high right here. And I made about 130 off of it because I did end up selling it right here because I was in with 2 contracts. And initially, I had just entered thinking that we were in with 1 contract, but I had accidentally gotten in with 2. So I didn't want to risk losing more than I wanted, so I just quickly got out literally at the peak. So I made 130 on that trade, and I was getting to the short that I took. So on the hourly, I had seen that there was this order block right here. We were within an order block. And then on the 5-minute, I saw that we had broken structures to the downside right here, and that was literally enough to tell me that the market wants to go down for a little bit. The breaking structure happened right here. And for more confirmation, I went to ES. Hold on, let me just delete all this. There's all my charting for today. And I went on ES, and then on the hourly, I saw a clear liquidity sweep right here. This liquidity got swept. And then I saw a clear respect of this bearish fair value gap. And keep in mind, this is not the move I'm talking about. This little move down is the one I'm talking about. And on the 5-minute, we had broke structure to the downside right here, confirming that we wanted to go down. And we had also disrespected this order block right here, which just gave me even more confidence to short the market. So then I went back to NQ and I shorted. When this 5-minute breaker structure happened, I noticed that there was a bullish fair value gap right here. The bullish fair value gap had also gotten disrespected because of this breaker structure to the downside, and then we re-entered it right here on this black candle, the bearish candle. We re-entered it, and then so I went down to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, I saw that there was this bearish fair value gap right here that was being respected. So right after we re-entered it on this bearish candle, we re-entered this inverse. We flipped, and on the close of this bearish candle, I shorted the market because that's a perfect setup for me. And my stop loss was this high right here because I wanted to give this high a little bit of room to breathe, and that high was just perfectly there. So I gave that my stop loss, and my TP was this low right here. As you can see, we literally went right to it after some consolidation. And this trade was taken live on my TikTok, so you know I'm not just making up stuff. I took it live, and there's also this signal right here. Oh, I forgot to show my P&L today. This is my P&L. So if you compare it, you'll see I made about, actually I'll probably just show you right here. I made $392, which is, I'm rounding that up to 400, I don't care. But yeah, those were the 2 trades I took, and today was a very good trading day because I followed all my rules and did not break anything and didn't take any dumb losses. But anyways, that's my trading journal, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.